Welcome back to Christine's Jamaican Kitchen. What are we cooking today?
I don't know.
Alright, you know what? Let's go look in the fridge and we're gonna cook a meal from leftovers. Leftover rice. Leftover fried chicken. Yes! We're gonna whip up something really quick and easy. What I found in my fridge, what I'm gonna do is whip up some fried rice. But before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as there's more wonderful recipes available. Go ahead and you know what to do. Tap that button right now. This is all the ingredients that we need for this dish today.
Oyster sauce, soy sauce, oil, Maggie all-purpose seasoning,
leftover fried chicken, broccoli, scallion, carrot, onion, leftover rice that was cooked, eggs, garlic, some bacon. All right, so let's go ahead.
Hold on. I want some sausage in this fried rice.
Okay, go get your sausage. So add your sausage, optional. Let's go wash our hands and start preparing. Okay, Kimberly, so you want to go ahead with your leftover rice, cooked rice. You want to go ahead and you're going to try to take out any lumps that is in there. So just kind of just smush it. Keep. So get all that lumpiness out of it. There you go. Make sure it's tightly closed. All right, go ahead. That you didn't get, those areas that you didn't get, you just want to use one of these little things that we use for smushing the plantain. Just to get all that lumpiness out. Here you go. Setting your rice aside, you want to go in and start picking your chicken off the bone. So we're just gonna go. You can take one of the smaller pieces. I'll do the bigger ones. Just break it and just kind of just pick it up as small as you can. setting your chicken aside, we're gonna do our bacon. I'm just doing a little bit of bacon. Here, Thomas, please, honey. I'm just gonna go in and just cut it really small pieces. Can I get a sharper knife? Can I get a good knife over here? Much better. Can you go open your sausage? Wash the top, dry it, and then throw the water off. After draining the water from your sausage, you want to go in and you want to cut each one like really small. So come in with your knife. Do you want a dull knife?
Sure. That's dough?
This one is dull.
That's dough?
Yes. Come on, let's go. Chop, chop, chop. Just want to add it to your bacon bowl. So just add your sausage right in there. Go ahead.
I'm cutting up the carrots using this peeler right here.
My broccoli, of course, you know, my vegetables, they're all washed and ready. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just break up my broccoli right in here while Kimberly's doing the carrots. You know, you always wash your vegetables, your cabbage, your broccoli, carrot, always in salt water.
Can you wash it with vinegar?
Yes, you can. I went ahead today and I got some grapes and I washed my grapes. Then I let them sit in a little bit of vinegar water. So the water with a little bit of vinegar, you should see all that hook that came off the grapes. Yep. All that dirt. So you always want to wash your vegetables and wash them really, really good. So just add in a little bit of oil, but don't forget, I always have the measurements in the description box below. So you just add in a little bit of oil because we're gonna fry the bacon and the sausage. And you know, bacon, it makes its own oil, so you don't need to put a lot of oil. You don't even have to use oil if you don't, just to fry those up. ready to put my other pot on. Kimberly, go get the eggs.
Oh, 1 tablespoon of oil.
Go ahead and pass the eggs. Okay. So you want to add your eggs.
Oh, that was scary. I'm sorry.
Bring the onion scallion, the chopped onion and scallion for me, please. Add those. Just want to saute. Add the chicken. Go get the chicken, honey. Thank you. Add in your carrots and broccoli. Start in the middle. Go get the rice, honey.
That's kind of heavy.
Turn your flames down.
So how does the rice turn brown?
That's when we put the soy sauce and the oyster sauce, yes. We just want to mix it in. Go ahead and add like bacon and sausage up in there.
Throw the oyster and the soy sauce into the rice.
Just a teaspoon of your Maggie all-purpose seasoning. Just sprinkle right over. And just mix it in. And guess what? Guess what?
Dinner done.
Dinner done. Dinner ready. That's it. Look at this, guys. My bossy. I just show off, sir. Oh, my bossy, sir. Look at my dinner. My dinner is ready. And this is from all leftover rice that we cooked and we used. And we had leftover chicken. And bam, bam, bam. It's a nice, delicious meal. Ready. Hot and ready. Once again, just showing you how you can use your leftover and turn it into a meal. You know, use your leftover for dinner the next day. So your stale rice, meaning your cooked rice that you may have had from overnight. Your chicken, suppose you had fried chicken last night and today you decide that you had leftovers and you decide, oh, I wanna use it and prepare another meal. There you go. Use it and look how it turned out. Look at this. Isn't this lovely, guys? Lord, I can't wait. Let's just dig in. And not lying. I am not biased, not because I made it, but I'm telling you guys, the food is off the chain. The food tastes good. Guys, you have to try this one. My fried rice, best in a town. Best.
It's delicious.
Woo. Lord, I'm gonna yum my dinner. Guys, catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye for now. Bye. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.